This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, thanks for waiting, everybody. So, last session, that is day before yesterday, we have done Wednesday. Yesterday, we couldn't do due to a technical issue in the server. And moving forward, today you all will understand how to set up the number ranges. So, if you all remember, I started explaining the concept of the number ranges here. So, internal and external. If you set up a number ranges with internal mode, system will automatically allocate the number when transaction is getting saved. If you select a number range with external mode, the user will allocate the number when the transaction is getting saved. For internal, I've given an example of ATM. When you go and withdraw the money, the system will generate the transaction receipt automatically. But when you go to a bank to withdraw some money, though the bank is systemized, the banker operates the system and allots the token number manually. I had even taken the example of online movie tickets, internal concept. I had even taken the theater going and buying the tickets. The ticket seller will have the command on the selling of the tickets. What is the running number, and he allots the number manually and sell a ticket. All right. So quickly, hope you all might have got refreshed what we was discussing on Wednesday. Now let's see how to set up this in the system. Now let me log in here. So go back to the IMG screen. SPRO, then logistics general, business partner, customer, control. Define and assign customer number ranges. Now, as I was explaining other day, click on define. Here you'll find intervals, NR status, and intervals. So first one, if you click on, it shows all the intervals in display mode. What all the occupancy of the number ranges you can see over here. If you click on third one, it shows the status, how much is used kind of. If I click over here, intervals, it shows, sorry, if I click on this middle one, see still I'm not getting the options. What it is saying, number ranges is locked for editing by so and so user. Even other day I was selling, right? What I was selling, when two people are trying to log into one applications, you will get a lock like this. When it has been locked, the screen will be open, but you can just view, but you cannot do anything. So it is not any issue, it is not any error. So how to fix up this? Just come out of the screen, close this. Either you come to the main screen or open a new screen here, click on, give the T code SM12, remove your username and give star, click on lock entries, list, it shows all the logged entries, logged screens, delete all, say yes, close the message, all got deleted, fine, close it. Now define number ranges, click on it, intervals. Now you get to see. So don't worry, sir, I'm not getting new entries, sir, I'm not getting the icons. Simple. Down you'll get a message. Sometimes it will not show the message also. So when you're not getting the screen with the icons and if it is presenting with incompletely, just go and check the lock screen. Right? Done. Now insert line, delete line, select all, deselect all. Fine. First, what we should do, remember one point. Scroll down and select any one range. For example, I'll select 7 lakhs. Okay. So 7 lakhs. Come to the top. From beginning, slowly start checking. 7 lakhs అన్న నంబర్ రేంజ్ ఎంత వరకు వాడుకలో ఉంది, ఎక్కడ వరకు వాడుకలో ఉంది. I need to find the continuation. So the 7 lakhs number range, till where it is occupied in usage, up to what number it is occupied, I should find out. And from there I can create my own one. So be careful. Sometimes we'll think that we did watch and we did check careful everything, but ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర ఒక సీక్వెల్ మిస్ అవుతుంది. So one by one slowly చూడండి. The first here it is 751 to 7 lakh 6. Okay. And 750 7 lakh 50 అండ్ సీక్వెల్గా ఉండవు. ఈ షార్ట్ నేమ్ సీక్వెల్గా ఎట్లా ఉంటుందో దాని ప్రకారం ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 7 lakh టు 7 lakh 50 ఉంది, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ 7 lakh 51 టు 60 ఉంది. సో 7 lakh 60 after this. Don't be in a rush, very slowly you should check, because being this public system you'll see many usage. See 7 lakhs 101 to 200. So 7 lakhs 200. 61 to 100, that is 200 is the biggest number, 7 lakhs 200. 7 lakhs 200. 7 lakhs 2012 8 lakhs. Okay, see, don't take such big numbers. Don't take such big numbers. Take short numbers. While practicing, how many you'll practice? One, two, three. Or rigorously you're practicing, maybe 10 customers you may create. But if you're taking the big count, then how others will get the opportunity to make? During the live project, yes, we give almost a lakh, 0 to 1 lakh for sold to party, 1 lakh to 2 lakh for shipped to party, 2 lakh to 3 lakh for build to party. Like that we give. So by seeing the number, we can understand the number is lying for which transaction. And after that 1 lakh reached, again we'll come and create a new number range and the end users in the company can run the customer creations. So how to correct it? I'm not finding any number range in the system, then how? See here, for example, 7 lakh. 7 lakh to 8 lakhs. So just click on this. 7 lakhs 205. Okay. So 7 double zero to 300. Okay. So when you're not finding anything, if you find any big number range, you can make it short. మరీ షార్ట్ చేయకండి. ఇప్పుడు 7 lakhs 201 7 lakh 300 చేశాను. సో ఈ నంబర్ రేంజ్ ఎవరైతే వాడుతున్నారో సిస్టంలో వాడికి ఇంకొక 95 కస్టమర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసే స్కోప్ ఉంటుంది. మోర్ ఎనఫ్. సో ఇంటర్వెల్స్, రైట్. సో 7 lakhs 300, right? Till occupied now. Fine. Let you remember this. Now, first point, there are two common mistakes trainees may do. Mistake one. See, for example, 01. Short name should not be repeated. That is the short name what somebody given, if you try to give the same, what system says? An interval already exists. అంటే మీరు ఏదైతే షార్ట్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలనుకున్నారో అది ఎవరైనా ఆల్రెడీ తీసుకొని ఉంటే మీరు అదే నేమ్తో మళ్ళీ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే ఇట్ సేస్ అన్ ఇంటర్వల్ ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. And a range, for example, here 1313 to 1325. Already selected range between, again, if you try to select, then it says enter an interval without overlap. So remember this point. ఆల్రెడీ షార్ట్ నేమ్ ఎవరైనా తీసుకొని ఉన్నది మళ్ళీ మీరు అదే నేమ్తో చేయాలనుకుంటే it throw an error, enter an interval already exists. ఆల్రెడీ నంబర్ రేంజ్ సిస్టంలో ఎవరో వాడి ఉన్నారు, మీరు అదే రేంజ్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ మీరు తీసుకున్నారు, దెన్ ఇట్ సేస్ ఎంటర్ అన్ ఇంటర్వల్ వితౌట్ ఓవర్లాప్. So these are the two common mistakes you may do. These are the two errors you may get. A number which is occupied, if you're taking, it says enter an interval without overlap. A short name which is already used, if you try to take, it says already there. So if you're not finding any number, how to create a space for you, I shown. If any big number range is there, make it short so that you will get a space for you create. Now click on this. We are working what is the example company we are running? We are running with Grassums. See, it is not, sometimes the screen may stuck up. Just completely come out and go insert, done. So I want to give G1, but before I want to give G1, let me check in the G alphabet. What is occupancy? See, G6 is there, G6, GA, GG. Okay. So how many account rules we made? How many account rules we made?
4, sir.
4, very good. So I need to create 4 number ranges now. 7 lakhs, 300. So don't take 300. You should start from 301 because till 300 it is occupied, right? Till 7 lakhs 300 it is occupied. So you should start from 301. If you take 300, it is already occupied. So 7 lakhs 201 to 300 somebody used. Some from 301 is the next continuation. Please understand, remember this, very important. So 400 I'm taking. I'm taking just 100 count. Even we don't create 100 customers, but fine. Take short number. Say take 3 lakhs, sorry, 7 lakhs, 301 to 320 or 350. Take a minimum count so that other people will have a breath time to create. For you also, it will be a chance to create another company or another number ranges, right? Save. Changes was saved. You should get this back, back. Again, the rego. Why I'm coming out of the screen? The screen should get refreshed. That's the intention. Interval. Insert. G2. Now 4012 401 to 500. Enter. Save it. Okay. So this message is the confirmation of getting saved. Continue. Changes was saved. Continue. Back. Back. Again, every time when you make sure you come out of the screen and rego. Intervals. Insert. G3. 501 to 600. Save it. ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ రేంజ్ చేయడానికి టైం పడుతుంది. To make a first number range, it takes some more time because you should identify the unused count, unused short name. But once you make your first number ranges, you got the sequel. All right. So it takes some time. It kills lot of time. You think that you checked correctly, but still you'll get interval already there or interval without overlap. So you should be very patiently doing it. During the live project, you will not get to see this many ranges. In the ranges ఉండవు అక్కడ. Few will be there for system default. and you have a wider scope there to create. What you create, only that will be there. It's not like you create, your colleague create. No, this application is allocated to you, so you are authorized to maintain this application, set up this application. Since here it is a public system, you as a trainee is practicing many. That's the reason it is showing more. Okay, so G4 now. 601 to 700. Let's just save it. Done. Now scroll down and check all the four what we made. See, G1, G2, G3, G4 I made, right? Now everything is zero here because I have not activated this number range to the account group, and using the account group we had not yet created any customer. When you start riding the vehicle, your mileage meter will run. New meter, zero only. Same logic here. When you start creating customers, how many customers you will create, the number will get upgraded here. Alright, fine. Now, can you see this corner box? External assignment. By putting a check mark here, it will become external. So what I said, number ranges are of two type, internal and external, I said, right? Internal means leaving a system, leaving that field blank. So the checkbox, what you have, external. If you put a check mark, it will become external. Blank, it will be internal. So remember this point, please. All right. So here, G1 blank, G2 I marked external, G3 blank, G4 blank. So why I'm making one as check? I want you all to understand how external will behave, how external will respond in the front end. See, as a trainee, you should know how internal works, you should know how external works, right? So, when you know how to create both, you can meet any expectation during the live project. All right. So, understand this point, please. So, when you are practicing, create four number ranges and mark any number range. It is not must, it should be second one only. Any one number range you mark as external so that you get to see how they respond in the front end. సో నాలుగు నంబర్ రేంజెస్ చేసాము ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఎక్స్టర్నల్ మార్క్ చేసాము సో హౌ ఇట్ ఇట్ what you say, how it will uh, react in the front end, you will understand lively. Done. Save it first. Back. See, after you save, once again go and check. Sometimes the check mark may not be accepted, it may not respond sometime. ఇక్కడ మనం చెక్ పెట్టాము ఒకటి సమ్టైమ్ ఆ చెక్ సేవ్ చేయగానే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది సో ఆఫ్టర్ యూ సేవ్ గో బ్యాక్ అండ్ చెక్ వెదర్ ద చెక్ మార్క్ ఫర్ వన్ నంబర్ ఇండిస్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఓకే బ్యాక్ now come to assign number ranges so here You will not find new entries. Why? Because you are finding the existing account group what you made and you are connecting the number ranges to it. So click on position, find what GRA, enter. So it shows sold to, ship to, bill to, pair. Okay. Click on the drop down here. It shows all the number ranges. Scroll down, 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 down. See, all are internal only. All the number ranges are internal only. Can you see? Few number ranges got cross mark. In our case, G2. Right? A number range which is maintained externally, it is identified with a cross mark. A number range which is maintained with internally, you will find no cross mark. Simple. సో ఇంటర్నల్ ఎట్లా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఎట్లా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంది తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఈ పాయింట్ ఇది ఫస్ట్. సో as also I told you which one will have most effect in usage. Internal. 99.9% మనం ఇంటర్నల్ మోడ్లోనే కస్టమైజ్ చేస్తాం. మోస్ట్లీ వి కస్టమైజ్ విత్ ఇంటర్నల్ మోడ్ ఓన్లీ. External very rare. Okay, fine. G1. Make sure you click on the drop down and select. Sometime manually if you give, it may not respond. G2. ఒక్కొక్క దానికి ఒక్కొక్క అకౌంట్కి ఒక్కొక్క నంబర్ రేంజ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నాం. So what all the account groups we made? 4. What all the number ranges we made? 4. G3. I'm connecting one by one to my account groups. Save it. Our request Grasim. Continue. Done. So for your account group, the number ranges got connected back. The 2 steps successfully we made. All right. Now comes your third step. See, our customer master data is customizable in how many stages?
4 stages.
3. No. How many? I'm not asking how many account groups are there. Account groups are 4. Sold to party, shipped to party, billed to party, pair. But customizing of customer master data, 3 stages. Number 1, account group. They are in 4.
4.
Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party,
Pair.
pair. Number 2, number ranges. They are in 2 modes, internal,
Next.
external. Number 3, partner
Function.
determination. Partner determination got 3 steps. Partner functions, partner procedure, and procedure assignment. That means, in short, PF, PF partner functions, PP partner procedure, PA procedure assignment. Now, why this partner determination to be done? Now, what I was saying right from the day one, I was saying sold party has a shipped party, sold party has a billed party, sold party has a payer. It is all about relationship, I said, right? So, partner determination is all about setting up the relations. A functions, partnering functions, sold party has a ship to, has a bill to, has a payer to be connected. Partner functions. Those to be recognized in which procedure? Partner procedure. That procedure to be assigned to an account group procedure assignment. Now, this step will be a little bit confusing, but don't worry. I will make it simple for you. How? I'll take you, just wait. So here, give me a minute, please. Done. Now here, I'm writing the chart now, a table of partner determination. Partner determination. It is customizable in how many steps? 3 steps. Partner functions, partner procedure, procedure assigned. Right. So here the partner functions. How many accounts we made? 4. What are they? Sold party, shipped party, billed party, pair. So here STP I'm saying. That means sold to party. So in sold party, how many functions?
4.
4. What are they? In short, SP, SH, BP,
EP.
P. Right? So what is account group of sold party we made? GRA1. What should I give here? What should
Range
I give here? GRA.
2.
I ask this question in every batch. Everybody say 2, but don't repeat that mistake. Don't do that mistake. If you start giving 1, 2, 3, 4, in every account, one entry is getting saved. We are doing the process for sold to party. What should I give here? GRA1 only. Remember this point. Intentionally I ask and intentionally I correct. So we are doing the setup for sold to party. So GRA1 to be given. Remember. So in sold to party, the 4 functions. First point. Now I need to come up with a procedure, partner procedure. It's like a folder. So I'm going to create a folder saying GRSP. Please mute yourself. When you respond after that, please mute yourself so that background noises cannot be carried. When you play the recording, it will be clear without any background noise. Thank you. So I'm creating a folder, a procedure folder. In this folder, how SP, SH, BP, PY, how they all should respond you are managing here. So what is response and what is managing? You'll understand now. Now here we have not changeable. And here you have mandatory. Two particular selections you'll find. Sold party, not changeable, mandatory. Shipped party, mandatory. Billed party, mandatory. Payer, mandatory. What is this? See, when you are going for a shopping, when you are going for a shopping, if the sorry, when you're going for a shopping, you prefer delivery to be done to your home, send the bill to your office, collect the payment from your accountant. A kind of situation may be there. Or you're going to a store to buy, send the shipping to your friend as a gift, and bill and payment you only will take care of. So what is the concept? Your identity cannot be changed. If your identity got changed, then customer itself is lost. The sold party not changeable. But shipping address can be editable, billing address can be editable, payer address can be editable, right? So that's the reason shipping, billing, payer we are not marking as not changeable. So it can be changeable in the front, but all are mandated to maintain, right? So how this works you will see lively. ఇక్కడ ఒట్టి ఫోకస్ ఏంటంటే మీరు ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి, ఏ స్టెప్లో ఏం యాక్టివిటీ ఏ విధంగా చేయాలా, ఆ స్టెప్ యొక్క పర్పస్ ఏంటి అంతవరకే ఉండండి. అది ఎట్లా అపేర్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనం లైవ్గా చూస్తాం. So just focus here what is the concept and in which step how the activity is to be and what activity speaks about what business functionality. Just stay down till here only. Don't think about practically. You will see lively. It's huge way. Okay. Now this procedure what we made to be assigned to this account group. So procedure assignment here. That is GRA1 the account group to be connected GRSP. So that's about your one complete setup for sold party. Now if it is shipped party, then SHTP, ship to party. How many functions in shipped party? SP, SH, BP, three functions. And here GRA2. And create a procedure, a folder by name shift to party GRSH SP SH PP, not changeable, mandatory, mandatory, mandatory. Now this procedure folder should be tagged to this account group GRA2 to GRSH. So no need to worry about sir what all this. I am writing this chart for your easy understanding. You will not find this in any book or anywhere. Out of my understanding, when we interact with the client, how we prepare the chart and how we make him understand, this is what. So I'm writing for your easy understanding. When you are playing the recording, please write for yourself. Don't take a screenshot or invest your efforts to learn. I'm investing my efforts to teach you better. I can make this a PowerPoint and play it, but when I'm writing your concentration is attentive. So we are writing as per our discussion, so it is customized in terms of learning also. So for the benefit of training I'm making these all efforts. Why can't you put these all efforts for your better learning? That's the question. So write. When you write you never forget. All right. Okay. Now build a party. Now here there is a small twist. In build a party, how many functions? Build
Only
a
one,
party,
sir.
any function? Sorry, once again. How many?
W- One, sir.
One. Very good. But here, watch me. In the build party application, one function. But in the background, we got to do two. What? This is build party, number one. In build party, the sales, number two. So I should give the layout identity and the information identity. Okay. So SP and BP. See, in build party layout, the sales information. You are correct. We did correct only. In the front end, you will see one only. But the layout identity and the content identity. Layout is build party, content is sales. So to prepare the bill, the sales information. Don't get confused on this point. So GRA 3, GRA 3. So the folder GRBP, SP, BP. Not changeable, mandatory and mandatory. And this to be connected to this account group. GRA 3, GRBP. Done. Right. Now the last is payer. In payer, how many functions?
2, sir.
Two functions.
But here also the same twist. PYR in the layout of payer, sales and billing. So layout identity number one, sales number two, and billing number three. So remember, SP is common in all, based upon the sales, the billing, based upon the sales, the payment, based upon the sales, the shipping. So SP is common in all, sold party. SP, BP, PY. GRA 4, GRA 4, GRA 4. I create a procedure GRPY, SP, BP, PY. Not changeable, mandatory, mandatory, and mandatory. Now this procedure to be connected to this account group. 4 to GRPY. That's all. సో పార్ట్నర్ డిటర్మినేషన్లో రిలేషన్స్ని ఏ విధంగా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయాలి అన్నది చార్ట్. 4 account rules we got. 4 kind of relations according to the domain. Sold party, complete relations. Shipped party, during the shipping, based upon the sale, along with the bill, how to respond. Billed party, at the time of preparation of bill, how the sales information. Payer, at the time of collecting the payment, based upon the bill, according to the sale. So justifying this saying the layout. So how this will respond in the front end, you will understand how this step will respond in the front end, you will understand how this step will respond in the front end, you will understand lively. So no need to worry about anything. You will see everything in live, how this all works in practical. So what you all should do, see, don't run behind for practicing. Don't be so much curious to start practicing immediately. Practicing can done at your leisure. First learn. So pick one recording every day. Start referring it. Start understanding what I'm trying to explain. Start understanding what is the topic. Start writing your own notes. Topic, enterprise structure, how many activities are there, company, company code, sales organization, distribution, how many are there. Then okay, you understood what is company, company code, sales organization and all. Then how I prepared the Grasim hierarchy. You take a sheet and start preparing the hierarchy for some company. It's not for Grasim, take any other company and prepare that for yourself. Then customer master data, okay. The concept of customer master data is all about setting up an application in SAP which allows to create a customer. How many stages it got? 4 stages. Yes. I mean, three stages of customizing account groups. How many are there? Four. What is account group? I told you the definition. Write down that. What is number ranges? Internal, external. Write down that. What is partner determination? Write down this. Prepare yourself like this. Because when you have all written, you can just refer your notes daily. What is under what you understood, what you learned, what are the customizing steps involved in a topic. Then you go for practicality. So just practicing, sir. Today you told today I gone for practicing. After 1 week you forgot what you practiced because it just like you saw and you did it. Google Map gone. So remember, recording to be followed to make you understand, to make you follow. I mean, for yourself, I mean to say, recording, following, you need to make yourself to follow, you need to make you to understand, you need to make you to learn. Then keep aside recording. Forget about recording. Your return should be backup for you to refer and practice. Because your return you never forget. Recording should be a last source to go and find if you made any mistake later. Okay. So please follow this method. You learn a very good subject, first point, with a good confidence. Speaking on the subject is not the way you speak is all about expression of your confidence, and that confidence itself makes opposite person to judge about your depth of knowledge. Okay, all right. So meeting link will be changed. I will ping the new meeting link on Monday to join with the new meeting link. I'll ping the new meeting link on Skype. Please do join with the new meeting link on Monday. All right, everybody. So from Monday, new meeting link. Please do join with the new meeting link. Don't forget. And keep working and keep learning what all we have done till date. We have Saturday and Sunday, 2 days. So start working on till date happening. And Monday we're going to see how to set up the content what I have written on the board practically. Monday we'll see the partner determination process in the system, followed by Tuesday I'm going to write the front end scenarios in how many ways it can be expressed in terms of usage. Partly I may do on Tuesday, partly I may do on Wednesday. So by upcoming Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll complete this chapter. Customer mastered it. So what all we are doing is heights of customizing. What all you are going to see, the execution also is heights of execution. Beyond this, nothing will be there. So out of this, if you can speak at least 50 or 60% also, you can clear the interview round in a distinction about this topic I'm saying, topic wise I'm saying. Okay, so do learn and do get clarity on it. See you all on Monday's class. Keep working till date.